I love a good scone, particularly when it's still warm from the oven. A little cream, some jam, just delicious. But I'm going to show you a different version today. These are my savoury scones with lots of herbs, so herby scones. I'm going to serve them canapé style, so really small ones. Now, usually I would do this the way my Auntie Iris taught me, which is by hand, so crumbling the butter into the self-raising flour. But I find the food processor works just as well. So Auntie Iris, look away. We'll start with our self-raising flour. Self-raising flour, it's a flour that we should all have in our pantry. It's fantastic for everyday baking like this. The self-raising flour has cream of tartar in it. It has a leavening agent, so they're going to make our scones lovely, fluffy and high. So in with our self-raising flour, some salt, and to this I'm going to add the cold butter. I've just cut it up into small pieces and I'm going to pulse it as opposed to blend it. We just want it to chop the butter until it forms a crumb. Okay, that's turned into breadcrumbs, which is what we need. Perfection. Now in with our herbs. So I've got a combination of parsley, dill and chives, and then we're going to pulse it again so it chops the herbs even more. Dill, I just love dill in this, and we know how dill goes so well with smoked salmon. I'll also leave a bit on standby and we'll use that for a garnish. So we're just going to roughly chop the dill, and then the chives, lots of chives in this. I love that mild onion flavour. So I'm just going to cut them in half, pop the battens together, finally chop again. After I've chopped up all these, they're going to go back into our food processor. Lid will go on, and I'm going to give it another pulse in the food processor until everything is combined. Okay, now time for the liquid. So we're using buttermilk, and we can pour in all of our buttermilk. Fantastic, and everything gets blended until it comes together. Okay, that's all it takes. As soon as you see all of that combining, just like this, it's time to turn it off. You don't want to overwork it. So we'll take that out onto our board. This makes a lot, guys. We're going to bring everything together. And I'm just going to knead it just gently just to bring it together. And you can do this by hand just by flattening it, or I've got a rolling pin. We're just going to roughly roll it out. I want it to be, I'd say about 2 centimetres thick. I've got a cookie cutter, and you can make these into any shape you like, but like I said, I want these to be canapé style. I'm just going to cut into them, and you can see that that's going to be fantastic. So you can see there's little layers there. That's a good sign. So that's our first one. Cute little scone. I'm going to make a few more of these. Brush them with a little bit of leftover buttermilk and then into a hot oven, about 190 degrees for 15 minutes. These scones have come out of the oven. How good do they look? They've risen nicely. And just have a look at the centre of one of these scones. Oh, fluffy. They smell so good. If you like, you could add some cheese to this to make them extra decadent. I haven't because I'm going to dress them with some salmon. So the way I like to serve these, a little bit of crème fraiche or sour cream, up to you. And we'll just pop that on top. I'm going to put it on my plate over here. You can see I've been quite generous with it. And then some smoked salmon. Just fold that over, pop that on top, and a little sprig of dill, if you've still got some left, on top. Isn't that the cutest canapé you've ever seen? I'm going to dress some more just so you can see how beautiful it looks on the plate. All right, after you add the dill, I just love the addition of lemon. You can squeeze lemon over it, or if you want an intense lemon flavour, just the zest. It kind of looks cute on the plate too. So straight over the top. And how good does that look? Beautiful herb scones. Certainly not done in the traditional way, but they taste fantastic. If you haven't tried savoury scones, try them. They're absolutely delicious. Next high tea, afternoon tea, or why not a canapé with a glass of champagne? Have a taste. The scones, they're perfection.